Good morning, everyone. As we were talking about the CWSN, Children with Special Need, today we will talk that how physical education program can give a great effect on the person with special need. According to the research, physical education programs can do a great deal to improve the lifestyle of the children with special need. They can increase competency in gross motor skills like throwing the ball, kicking the ball, holding the objects, help to control obesity, improve self esteem and social skills. As they participate in different kind of games and sports, they learn to behave with the others, so they learn these social skills. They win and lose, so they can have improved self-esteem, an active lifestyle and maintain motivation as they participate in physical education programs. First of all, it improves the physical state of the person. The scientific study into disability groups has found that participation in physical activities and sports leads to improved level of well-being and physical health. Children who have a diagnosed intellectual disability may have additional physical disabilities which can result in below age level performance and typical motor skills. If they participate in physical education programs, these additional disabilities and disorders does not come in the human body. Regular improvement in physical education and sports can help them to develop the skill they need. What kind of skill they need? We need the basic skill to hold, to throw, to improve ourselves in each and every regard of movement. As we know that physical disability always gives less coordination between hand and eyes. It also decreases the flexibility of the body. But if they participate in this kind of activities, it improves the hand and eye coordination. These are all simply the nature benefits of exercise. The second one is mental improvement. Regular exposure to sports through physical education classes is not only good for children but it is very beneficial for their mind too. Physical activity improves general mood and wellness in psychiatric patients suffering from anxiety and depressive disorders. When the student or the person with the disabilities participate in any kind of games and sports, it decreases the anxiety of the person, it decreases the depression of the person, and it improves the mood towards the wellness. What more regular fitness linked to improvement in self-esteem? The self-esteem is also one of the most vital ingredient of any personality. Social awareness and self-confidence all essential for the empowering the level of young people with special needs. So when they participate in physical activities, these all mental improvements they get and they suppress all kind of obstacles and diseases problems which are additionally come to the mental status to the person. Behavioral improvement in attention relationship and academics. This is the third most important benefit which we can get through the physical education programs. Finally, the hands-on nature of physical education leads to cognitive improvement in children with special needs, allowing them to access skills that they could not challenge within a traditional classroom setting. So, behavioral improvement is very important in our life. As we have to keep relationship in the society, we need attention from the others. We require the rules and regulation which we have to adopt. Even we require the rules and regulation which other person adopt. So here on top of that, children with special needs can learn to focus on specific goals and work on their verbal communication by interacting with peers through sports. So it was our discussion about the importance of adaptive physical education for the special need children. And as you know that the what is adapted physical education, it is nothing but it is one of the branch of physical education that is especially designed for the Dibyangs or the children with special needs. So you will work upon it, you will solve the question related with this, and till then goodbye, thank you.